Welcome to Tulzu English class. Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn 50 daily routine activities in present tense. Simple and clear for learning and daily use. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my body. I dry my body. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. I drink warm water. I drink warm water. I make my bed. I make my bed. I pray or meditate. I pray or meditate. I do some exercise. I do some exercise. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. I cook breakfast. I cook breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink milk. I drink milk. I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. I check my phone. I check my phone. I clean my room. I clean my room. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I water the plants. I water the plants. I take care of my pet. I take care of my pet. I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. I iron my clothes. I iron my clothes. I tidy up the house. I tidy up the house. I throw away the trash. I throw away the trash. I go to work. I go to work. I go to school. I go to school. I reach on time. I reach on time. I attend meetings. I attend meetings. I write notes. I write notes. I check my emails. I check my emails. I talk to my colleagues. I talk to my colleagues. I take short breaks. I take short breaks. I help my co-workers. I help my co-workers. I solve problems. I solve problems. I read books. I read books. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I learn new words. I learn new words. I practice English. I practice English. I do homework. I do homework. I revise my lessons. I revise my lessons. I listen to a podcast. I listen to a podcast. I watch a learning video. I watch a learning video. I ask questions. I ask questions. I take notes. I take notes. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly do like and subscribe our channel.